Hello, my name is Jerri Bandt with the Avaya Serviceability Engineering team. This video will demonstrate how to disable and re-enable the Avaya Aura Contact Center Security Policy Agent after installing any CCMA patches. This is recommended for AACC systems using Security Framework. First, I will go over some details about why it's necessary to disable and re-enable the AACC Security Policy Agent in certain situations. Some CCMA patches can change the security exemption settings within Security Framework when they are installed on AACC systems. More details on this issue can be found in PSN 003932U, located on the support.avaya.com website. When the security exemption settings are changed, this causes a problem where agents may not be able to log in with Agent Desktop. I will show an example of the Agent Desktop error message on the next slide. The fix for this problem is to disable and re-enable the Security Policy Agent on AACC. This will reapply the correct exemption settings. This issue only affects AACC systems using Security Framework. So the recommendation is to always disable and then re-enable the Security Policy Agent after installing any CCMA patches on AACC systems using Security Framework. Even if the CCMA patches did not change the security exemption settings, doing this procedure will not cause any other problems. This slide shows an example of the Agent Desktop error message that agents would receive if the installation of CCMA patches inadvertently changed the security exemption settings. Now I will demonstrate how to disable and re-enable the Security Policy Agent to reapply the correct exemption settings. For this demo, I am logged into an AACC lab system. To begin, click on Start, then All Programs. Click on the Avaya folder, then select Contact Center. Go down and select Manager Administration. Now click on Configuration. Now click on the entry for security settings. The Security Details window displays. At the bottom of the window, click on the Disable button. A warning message about stopping IIS will display. Click the Yes button to continue. After a few seconds, an information message appears stating the security agent has been removed successfully. Click on the OK button. Now click the Enable button to re-enable the Security Policy Agent. Click on Yes to continue with the update. After a few seconds, an information message will display saying that the security server details have been configured successfully. Click OK to close the message window. Now click the Close button to return to the configuration window. Now you can close this window. This concludes the demo on how to disable and then re-enable the Security Policy Agent after installing any CCMA patches. Thank you for your time today. We welcome comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. For more details or related information, please visit support.avaya.com. Thank you for choosing Avaya.